Item number 5 is to consider authorizing, thank you, Laura. Item 5 is consider authorizing the purchasing director to approve the placement of a purchase order with Gillig for the purchase of 3 29-foot compressed natural gas Gillig low-floor buses for Grand Valley Transit in the amount of $705,325 each, totaling $2,115,975. Good morning.
Good morning, Dana Brosick, RTPO Director. So yeah, this is just a purchase order for 3 buses. 2 of them are replacement buses for buses that have reached their useful life, and 1 is an expansion bus. We're always on the verge of not having enough buses, so decided to try to expand our fleet to help with that. I'll do 2 plugs to our maintenance facility is going to have a ribbon cutting in July, so we're at the near completion for that, which will also help with our bus maintenance. And we also have free fare going on for June, July, and August this year. So, but these are just for buses. Receive federal funding for 80% of it, and 20% is coming from the IGA.
And how long are we out on these buses?
They'll probably arrive in 9 to 12 months after being ordered.
Okay, all 3 of them?
Yeah.
Okay, good deal. Any questions?
What's the useful life of a?
I believe for these ones, it's 9 years.
Thanks.
My only question would be, what would be the cost? I know you may not have it now, but diesel or gasoline versus the compressed natural gas?
So the CNG is definitely less. I've been doing the budget stuff, so I should know that how much we spend on fuel, but about 30% of our CNG comes from the Persigo wastewater treatment plant. And the rest of it, we have like a purchasing agreement with the city of Grand Junction. So it's definitely much less, and it's stable. It doesn't fluctuate. So there's a negotiated CNG rate that we've been paying for years. It doesn't fluctuate with market.
Good. Okay, any questions from the public on this item? Okay, seeing none, I'll bring it back to the board and entertain a motion to approve item number 5 as entered into the record.
So moved.
Second.
All in favor?
Aye.
Aye, motion carries 3-0.
Thank you.
Dana.